Today, we're talking about something called MCP, or Model Context Protocol. Now, don't let the name scare you off. It's actually a really clever idea, and if you've ever used AI and thought, wow, how did it know that? There's a good chance MCP had something to do with it. So what is it? Think of MCP like a universal adapter for AI, the USB-C of smart apps. It lets AI models plug into all kinds of tools and data, APIs, files, databases, live web info, you name it, all with one clean, consistent connection. Okay, but why do we need it? Here's the problem we had before MCP. AI models had to be hardwired, like manually integrated, into every external tool or data source they wanted to use. Want to access an API? Custom code. Need to fetch something from a database? More custom code. It was like needing a different charger for every device. Not fun. It slowed everything down, made development a nightmare, and meant every time you wanted to switch tools or use a different model, you were basically starting over. Enter MCP. MCP gives us one shared language for AI and external systems to talk to each other. So instead of building 10 different adapters, you just plug into one standard protocol and you're good to go. Now let's walk through what that looks like. Check out the diagram on screen. At the top, you've got an AI application, powered by a large language model. It connects to MCP, which acts like a bridge or hub. That hub then connects to two different servers. One server handles web searches and grabs data from a database. The other talks to APIs and opens up files. So let's say you ask your AI something like, what's going on in the EV market right now? And can you show me last quarter's sales report? Instead of panicking and saying, I don't know, the AI uses MCP to get the latest info from the web and pull your report from wherever it's stored. Smooth, right? Behind the scenes, it's using a client-server setup. The AI is the client asking for stuff. The tools and data live on servers ready to respond. And MCP is the translator, making sure they all understand each other, no matter where they're from or who built them. And because it's a standard, it works across different systems, models, and companies. No more tech silos, no more messy integrations, just clean, flexible access to the context AI needs to actually do its job. That's why companies like Anthropic, OpenAI, and Google are all either using or exploring MCP. It makes their AI tools more powerful, more efficient, and way easier to build and scale. So in short, before MCP, connecting AI to external tools was a tangled mess. With MCP, it's like plugging into one smart universal port, and suddenly everything works together. All right, tap that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments what tech topic you want us to explain next.